Now, my dear students, we will head throughout another lecture for the cavity and reflex klystrons. What are the cavity and what are the reflex klystron? Previously, we know about the microcavity. Now, we will go through the cavity and reflex klystrons. So, what is the introduction of it for the generation and the uh, amplification of microwaves? There is need of some special tubes called microwave tubes for them all, and klystron is an important one. Klystron is one kind of microwave tubes. The essential elements of klystron are electron beams, cavity resonators. Electron beams are produced from a source, and the cavity klystron are employed to amplify the signals. A collector is present at the end of the the electrons. The whole setup is as shown in the following figure. So what is the operation of klystron? The electric field on the resonator keeps on changing its direction of the induced field. Depending on this, the electron come out of electron gun get their pace controlled. So there is a cavity resonator both parts. So they will find the drift space between the resonator and the varying speed to create electron punches. These punches are created due to variation of the speed of the travel. So this is the reflex klystrons. This microwave generator is a klystron that works on a reflection and oscillations in a single cavity which has a variable frequency. Reflex klystrons consist of electron gun, a cathode filament, and an anode cavity. There is a cathode filament right there. There is a repeater electrode. There is a repeater electrode, and there is an RF output in the coaxial loop is presented there. The electron gun emits the electron beam which passes through the gap in the anode cavity. These electrons travel towards the repeater electrode, which is at high negative potential due to the high negative field. The electron repel back to the anode cavity, and in their return journey, the electron give more energy to the gap, and these oscillations are sustained. The constructional details of the situation is known as the following figure. Now, what is the application of reflex klystrons? Reflex klystrons is used in applications where variable frequency is desirable, such as radio receivers, portable microwave links, parametric amplifier, local oscillators of microwave receivers, as a single source where variable frequency is desirable in microwave generators. So these are some important parts of the reflex klystrons, and there are some cavity resonators right there. So how the cavity resonator will operate? So the operating principle of a cavity resonator is the electron emitted by the cathode are accelerated towards the fast resonator and the collector at the end at the same point potential as the resonator. Hence, usually the electron have a constant speed in the gap between the cavity resonator. Initially, the first cavity resonator is supplied with a weak high frequency signal. So that is the part of the signal field, and due to this field, the electrons that pass through the cavity resonator that are modulated. On arriving at the second resonator, the electrons are included with the another EMF at the same frequency. This field is strong enough to extract a large signal. To extract the large signal from this second cavity. So that's it for now.